Yeah, Gayatri, actually we are talking about EC2 instances. So initially, if you go to EC2 instances, you have to see all the services. Okay, I think I forgot to share my screen. Let me share my screen. You can see my screen? See?
Yes, I can able to see you.
Yeah, yeah. These are all AWS services. All AWS services. So there are a lot of hundreds and hundreds services are there. So out of which EC2 also one of the service. See, there are lot of services, hundreds of services there. So so based on requirement, we'll use the services. So in this also you have main services. See, if you see the services, see recently visited services, you can see, and all services. If you want to see entire all the services from AWS, you can see all the services here. Okay, see this. So compute, see, in compute EC2, these services are there. Okay, Lambda, Lightsail, Patch, Elastic Bean, AWS outputs, and all these things are there. Containers, Elastic Container Service, Elastic Kubernetes Service, okay, Red Hat OpenShift, Elastic Container Registry. So these related to containers, these services are available in AWS. And storage related, so S3 storage is there, EFS, Elastic File Storage, ESX, S3 Glacier, Storage Gateway, AWS Backup, okay, AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery, okay. So these services are there, which is provided by AWS in the storage level. Okay, database related. Okay, you know na, MySQL database and all, MongoDB like that. So RDS, okay. So Elastic Apache is there. Okay, Neptune, Amazon. So Amazon Keyspace, DynamoDB, these services, all migration related also is available. Networking related, VPC route. These are all already explained, and also these things are already covered in VPC. I hope you seen. I hope you watched that video. Go developer. These are all comes under developer related. We won't touch this as a cloud engineer. We don't touch this. Okay. If you are AWS developer, they will touch cloud. So DevOps engineer, they won't touch. Developer, they can touch all these things. Okay. Blockchains, there are a lot of services are there. You can see the services, entire services. You can come here and console, click on AWS. If you see here, this console will appear like this. Okay, if you see, click on this, my all services, you can see like this. Okay, out of which EC2 is there, Elastic Compute Cloud. Okay, this EC2 instance, by using this EC2 instance, you can able to create your own machine. Okay, where we have this machine we are creating in cloud. Okay, so maybe you are having your laptop containing uh, RAM, your laptop containing storage, hard disk, your laptop containing monitor, and all the hardware services, different type storage types and all. The same way, whatever your laptop containing, all the things are available in the cloud itself. Okay, so by using this cloud, you can log in from anywhere in the world. That is the purpose of EC2. Okay, so for example, your laptop is somewhere else, you are somewhere else, you got very emergency urgent requirement. Okay, so if you want to open, you can't open. So but by requesting, so you can able to open. If your machine is in cloud, definitely you can able to open from anywhere itself. Okay, so for that, so we can able to create our own machine with the requirement, based on our requirement. Okay, EC2 instance is Elastic Compute Cloud. Elastic in the sense flexibility, as I told. So means I have to remove the instance, I have to delete the instance, I have to create the instance, and also I can able to stop the instance, I can able to start the instance. These are all flexibility. We have a lot of flexibility is there. So like that, so that is the reason we can say it is elastic. Okay, so if you say instances, see, this is the way we have to create the instance. See this launch instance, you have to click on launch instance. Okay, you have to give the name, my instance. Are you there, Gayatri?
Yeah, Lokesh, could you please up to that one? I am joining through my laptop.
Okay, yeah, now you can see the screen. Is it visible? Yeah,
Yes, visible.
is it visible? Yeah, fine. Okay, so whenever you click on the instances, you will get all already currently running instances you can see. And also here itself you can able to create new instance. If you want to create new instance, you can see, you can come here. Okay, you can come here, you have to click on here. Okay, launch instances. Okay, instance templates are there. Instance templates in the sense already created instances, the same format. If you want, you can take it. If you want to create new instance, you have to create new instance. You have to click on this. Okay, you have to give some name called my instance 1, for example. Okay, so you have another good option. See this, these are all what are these? OS,
OS.
operating systems. See this, Amazon itself is providing Linux, and MacBook is there, and also Ubuntu is there, Microsoft Windows, Red Hat, SUSE, and Linux, and Debian. These are all Debian, SUSE, Red Hat, Ubuntu, and also Amazon Linux, Mac OS. These are all flavors of Unix. Okay, Unix is one operating system. Unix is actually invented. Whatever the Linux which we are using currently, that is invented by Unix. Unix is main father. Okay, these are all childs. By using open source, Unix open source, everybody has created their own operating systems, like operating Mac OS. Okay, Mac also created. Okay, Apple created, and Windows is different. Okay, Ubuntu is created its own, Red Hat is created its own, SUSE is created, Linux, SUSE Linux created, Debian created, all these things. Okay, so we have available. If you want to see, you can see all the things. Okay, all the whatever the flavors, all the flavors available according to your requirement, you can able to choose. Okay, let me go back. I'll choose only basic. Okay, launch instance, click on launch instance. It's jumped my instance.
Are you recording this session, Lokesh?
Yes, you want this?
Yes, because
Yeah,
when I try to practice, I will
yes,
refer this.
yeah, I'll share with you, no problem. Okay, this is my instance one. And also if you want to choose Ubuntu, you can choose Ubuntu. And this is, okay, Ubuntu machine. You can see here you have a lot of volumes. Okay, see this Amazon AMI. Okay, AMI, which is provided by Amazon. See this, here a lot of things are there. You can choose anyone, but it is chargeable. Only Amazon is providing for this one free. Already we had a discussion previous class, right? That discussion I have explained about SSD volumes types. Okay, these times whatever the available are there, predefined, already available volumes and machines. So those are is completely chargeable except these two. What is that? SSD and this one, these two. Remaining things all are chargeable. Based on your requirement you can choose, but the thing, it is not free. Okay, let me choose whatever free tier. Okay, I don't want to go. This is for demo purpose. Okay, and 64-bit, 32-bit, you heard about this, right? If you want to choose that also. Okay, let me keep as it is. Okay, and this is, you see this, what is this? CPU, memory. Okay, this is related to CPU. One CPU core,
Okay.
two CPU core, like that, four CPU core. There are generations, right? The same way, like this. Okay, the same way outside of the hardware of the system, the same you can see here. Everything, whatever, you don't have any change. Okay, see here. And if you see more, come down. If you come down, see this. If you scroll down, small, T2 small, T2 medium, T2 large. If you see, if keep on increasing, just focus on these things, the CPU and memory. Okay, I'll come to I'll definitely scroll down. While I'm scrolling, just cross check, you try to observe. Cores are, CPU cores are changing. See this, CPU core 1 GB. Okay, T3 small, T3 medium, it is keep on increasing. Whenever, if I keep on increasing like this, you see this, if I select CD X large, 4 CPU, 8 GB memory. Okay, it is very much faster than free tier. Okay, based on your requirement, your company requirement, they will choose this. Okay, if it is a big organization, they will choose like this, 96 GB memory, 12 CPU, very much faster. This is very much faster than anything. Okay, it will be very much cost also. Based on requirement, you have to choose this. Okay, see, for example, if you see nearby this also, T3 small or T3 medium. Okay, T3 large. If you see this, 2 core CPU, 4 GB memory. I need only 4 GB memory is good enough for my project. Okay, then I will choose this, like this. You can choose anything. I don't want to go, I don't want all these things, I want only free tier. If you choose free tier eligible, then you never get cost, zero cost. Okay, you never get bill. You understood? So that is the reason, for practicing purpose, you have to use T2 micro. That's what about instance types. Okay, and this is comes to here, key pairs. Okay, what is key pair? This key pair you have to use for while you are creating, while you are entering SSH. Okay, secure shell, by using SSH connection, you have to use this key pair. You have to download. You have two types actually, PEM key and PPK key. Okay, already existing key if you have, you can also select the existing key, else you can create new key pair. Let me try to create this new key pair. Okay, okay, so I'll try to click on this. See this, you have to give your name. What is the name which I have given now? Is that my instance, right? My instance 1 key. This should be, it should be understandable. If you see, if you give the name in the sense, you should not confuse. If you give one name to other instance, it doesn't works. Okay, you might have 4 keys. If 4 keys does not have proper meaning name, so you might have for this my instance 1, you have given other key pair. Okay, for example, earlier you have created another one, so that that if you want to try, it doesn't works. Okay, so you have to give proper key like this. Okay, and you have PEM key and PPK key. PPK, okay, private putty key. PPK in the sense, if somebody will use putty, have you heard about putty, Gayatri?
Yes, I have heard about.
Yes, if you want to use putty, if you are habituated with the putty, you have to use PPK key. But I don't want PPK. I am using OpenSSH, secure shell. I am using this, so that's the reason I am going with PPK. Enter, key pair. Right? It's got, it's downloaded, right? You see here.
Yes.
Let's go here. Okay, this one you have to use while you're in this key, what you are containing. it's unreadable format. You can see this is the key. Can you see here?
Mm-hmm.
This is unreadable
Yes.
format. It's you this only while you are trying to connect with the your system or your tool to your instance. At that time you have to mention this key, otherwise it won't works. That is the purpose of the key. This is key in the sense whenever you are trying to enter into the home. Okay, this is your house, for example. This is your house. This is your house. This is your door. Some lock is there. Okay, you have a key. This is a key. Okay, so if you by using this key only you can able to enter, right? Otherwise you can't enter into this door. Same like this. This is a key for EC2 instances. If you want to enter into the server or machine, you have to use this key. That's it, right? So I have already downloaded it. Next, here networking settings. Okay, networking settings. See, this is default VPC. This is default VPC because you don't have any VPCs, right? You don't have any virtual private cloud. So that is the reason for the machine running. So Amazon AWS itself will give default VPCs, default subnet. Okay, so these things will be given directly by AWS. So these are all security groups. Okay, security groups in the sense, for example, I should not have deleted that.
VPCs, we uh, defaultly that ID will be given by Amazon
Which one, Gayatri?
when we are launching EC2.
Yeah, when we are launching EC2, what's your question?
When we are creating EC2, that VPC ID is there, right?
Yeah,
That
yeah.
is defaultly selected.
Can you show me? Can you please navigate me? Which one?
VPC.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
is
yeah,
coming
yeah,
up.
yeah. That's what I'm telling. Yeah, yeah. Correct, correct. Where is this? This one, right? Yeah, yeah. This
Yes.
ID, default ID, it is created automatically. And if you create
Okay.
your own VPC also, you'll get one ID. But it doesn't matter
Okay.
about ID. You'll mention your name. Okay. For example,
Mm.
if I create my own VPC, I'll use my VPC or some other meaningful name. Okay. By using that name, you can identify your VPC. That's what. Okay, just after this class please try to go and visit my YouTube channel. There you can find the VPC, entire VPC I clearly explained, and everything I have done practically. Okay,
Okay.
so please try to understand VPC, then it is easy. Okay, so this VPT default VPC I'm taking. Okay, so I don't want to
Okay.
do any change. This is actual security groups. Okay, for example, for your building, your house is there, right? That house you are trying to come. Okay, you
Mm.
have given key, that's okay, but you have key everything, but some security person is there. Oh, wait, who are you? Where are you going? Okay, if you want to allow, show your ID card, or where you are going exactly, which place you are going. For some building is there, for example. Okay, this is a big building. Okay, one second, I will take black screen. I'll come here. Okay, so for example, this is a big building. Okay, hmm? Maybe this is one institute. I do have a separate some classes. This is Python, this is Java, this is AWS, this is DevOps, for suppose like this. Okay, this is one door, your door. Okay, some security person is there, that person sitting here. hmm? You have keys, you have to go Python class, that's okay. But the thing is this, where you want to go, here also one key is group. You have to enter from here also, you have to here also, you have to enter here also. If you want to enter here, you have a security person will be there. Okay, this person will stop you where you are going. Okay, you have a ID card or not? Show me your ID card. Okay, that ID card is this one. This is general scenario, maybe bad example, try to understand. So this is a SSH key. Already SSH key is there, right, for you. If you want to create another groups, you can create. There are a lot of security groups are there. See this, for example, all traffic. You are allowing all traffic in the sense, see, you don't have any I'm sorry, wait, yeah, here, for example, all traffic, in the sense it's a public, you don't have any security person at all, nobody will be there. Okay, it will be open gate, everybody can come, everybody can go. Okay, everybody can come and everybody can go. So this is the way. For example, shopping mall is there. Okay, in that shopping mall you can go. Okay, here also you can go, you can enter directly, you will do shopping and you will go. Okay, so like that. So security groups also like that. This is general scenario I am telling. Okay, I am explaining. Just if for example, if you allow all traffic, in the sense everyone can able to visit your server, understood? Everybody can able to enter into your server, they can use. For example, your IP is there, if you keep your IP all traffic, they can able to access. Okay, so if you give other rule, okay, for example, MySQL in the sense it is a database, right?
Yes.
Right, MySQL database. For example, MySQL also you can find here. See this, MySQL. If you use MySQL server related, you have to use this port 1433. Okay, TCP IP. You understood? So this MySQL
Yes.
also you have MySQL IP address, port, security group. These security groups you have to mention according to your requirement. If I use MySQL server, I will use this. Okay, so if I don't want, I just simply I'll open entire all traffic. I'll keep all traffic, right? Something like that. And SSH key is there for us, right? So that is the reason I am mentioning SSH. Okay, something like that. Okay, and coming to here, you see here number of instances. If you keep 10, if you click on this launch, after setting all these things, you will get 10 instances at a time. Okay, if you keep one, you will get one instance with the same specifications, but whatever the specifications which I have given, with the same specifications you can create 10 instances. If you want 100, if you want 1000, if you want 10,000, you can create like this, but bill will go long, it will increase, keep on increase, you can't bear that. Okay, I don't want to take more. For demo purpose I will take 2 for showing. Okay, understood? So this is AMI, this will be given whatever the AMI, this AMI image is related to here. See this, you understood? See this, both are same, AMI 0F58 something like that, E8, right? This image
Yes.
ID here is mentioning here. Okay, and T2 micro I have chosen. Okay, that's what completed, everything I have checked, I got everything, that's it. And another thing, see, advanced, there are a lot of things. If I want to give sudo commands, sudo su hyphen apt hyphen get update, if you want to give comments, you can give it here itself. So something like that. Okay, so launch instance, no, something it is showing, see. Okay, launch instance, custom IP port range. I should not have disturbed this. SSH. Okay. Anywhere. Launch. Yeah. Okay, that's also fine. Instance, launch instance. It's weird. Ubuntu is okay. T2 micro is okay. No, just a second. Free to T2 micro. Instance type is, that's fine. Let me remove all things. I'll do it later. This. What happened? I think my internet issue got. I think so. Some internet issue. Can you please navigate me, Gayatri?
Yes,
Yeah, please go ahead.
my instance on
Okay.
Ubuntu.
Hmm.
Free type 2.
Hmm.
That's 92 micro.
Yeah.
Create new key pair. RSA. My instance on myself.
Okay. Instance.
My instance underscore one you have given previous.
Okay. I'll directly I'll give you like this. Okay. Okay.
Create key pair.
Yes. The next.
VPC default.
Yeah.
Did
I'll keep
it?
everything default.
Uh,
So I'll keep here 2 instances.
2 instances.
Launch. See. Security groups, unless you require nothing, you should not change. According to your requirement, you have to change the security groups. Then later, if you want to change, also you can change. See this? It's getting created, right? So,
Yes.
my instance, and you can change here. This is my instance 1, right? For your better understanding later. So you can change here my instance 2. It's a bit slow, I think so. 2, you can, if you want to give, you can give like this. So if you give 10 also, you will get 10. Okay. So try to refresh. This checks should pass. This check, whatever checks are there, if it is 2 by 2 only, your server is running properly. Your instance is running properly. Okay. So it is initializing, right? It is showing that it is initializing. So whenever if you stop service also, it will, after stopping the service, while again it is restarting, also it is showing like pending. And if you terminate instant also, it will show like something like pending, like that. If you if you can see here, so while you are seeing here only, you can understand that something going on with this instance. You can understand what the status of that, something like that. Okay. So you can come here and you can check entire details. Instance ID, okay, public address, this is your IP address, this is private IP address. Every system has public and private IP address, right? For your system have internet IP address, and your system have own private IP address, like that. You see all the details, every details you can find here. Amazon ID also, so everything you can find here. And also status and alarms. So about your alarms, you did not configure anything. Okay. You see while it is running, you can see the graphs also. Okay. Security related. Okay. If you click on this, you can, whatever the security groups which I have shown you while I am creating, so then you can change here itself after clicking on it. Add rule. Okay, add rule, allow all traffic, save the rule. No, custom anywhere IP, save the rule. So like this you can come here and you can come here security. Okay, in security you can change your security groups also. Click on here, you can see here in security you can come security related to security groups. You click on this, you will get all the details. So networking related you can see here your public IP, private IP, what is your VPC, what is your DNS. Okay, subnet ID, you'll get all this. Subnet I have not created, everything it is default. Okay, by default you will get all these things. If you create also, you can create your own subnet, your own VPC, and all things will you can appear, you can see here. Okay, storage related as I already shown, right? The previous class which we had discussed about storage related, the volume, the volume which I have created earlier. So while I am creating the instance, only default it has taken for free tier 8 GB. Am I right? The same one you can find here itself. Okay, so tags, names related, if you want to change you can change the tags is here itself. Okay, like that. If you want to remove also you can remove. Let's see how is it ready or not. Status check. Yeah, 2 by 2 checks passed, in the sense it is ready, completely ready. If you see like this later, to 1 by 2, 0 by 2, like that, your instance and your machine not running properly. You have to identify this. And also you can see all the options: instant ID, instance state, instance type, status check, alarm status, availability zone. Okay, public DNS. Okay, public IP, elastic IP. Okay, IPv6, monitoring related, all the details you can find here by scrolling here left and right, left and right, like this. Okay, so this is your instance, it is got ready. So let me try to connect with this instance by showing browser. If you want to connect with the browser, you simply click on your instance and you have to connect here. Okay, you no need to do anything, don't click on anything, simply EC2 instance connect and you can connect here directly. See this?
Your screen is not visible to me.
Is it not visible? Oh,
Ah,
is it visible now?
yes.
It is visible, right?
Ah,
So
yes. Now it is.
it was what which whatever what you have missed. Could you please tell me? I'll do it
How
again.
could we access through the browser?
Okay,
That
let me do it again. Just click on this. See this?
okay.
Click on this. You have to connect here. Click on the connect
Uh-huh.
and EC2 instance connect. Okay, click on this
Mm,
and connect. Directly it is connecting through browser. See,
okay.
see this? See this? See this? You got it? Else
Yes.
you can able to find sudo su hyphen apt hyphen get update. So you can do whatever you want. Okay. Something. Okay. You got you connected with the browser, right? And next process, you can connect here. Okay. You see SSH client, right? Gayatri, you see here
Yes.
SSH client? Yes. Now I will connect with my MobaXterm tool. This is the tool. By using this tool, I am going to connect with AWS instance.
We need to add that PEM key, I
Yeah.
think.
See here, I will navigate through. I will walk you through. See here, next session, SSH. Okay. So whatever the EC2 instance SSH client, you have to click on here. Okay, from here itself you have to take from here, copy, and you have to paste here. Okay, and private key, whatever the key is there, you have to click on this. Where is key? Downloads. This is the key. No, where is my key? So here, this one, right? Click on this, open. If you want to change additional settings, go color, forehead, green. Okay, select green. Okay, okay. And also if you want to change font background color also, you can change background. And also text also you can change, cursor also you can change. Okay, you can do trial, you can do try from your side all the things. Okay, so now you have to click OK. Okay, you have to accept this. Okay, you are trying to connect with your browser, I mean server, sorry, ls. Okay, touch, see, ls. Okay, see this, your file, your name is there, your file got created, mkdir underscore file1. See this, ll. See this Gayatri file. This is, if you see here, you have, if you have good knowledge on Linux, you can understand this. Why this color doesn't matter, but if you see here, D, initially whatever it is there, D means directory. Okay,
Directory.
Gayatri is there, both Gayatri are there. What is the difference? Here it is hyphen, in the sense it's a file. Okay, this is directory, that is difference. That's it, it's not a Linux class, just for simple for understanding. So this is the way. One is actually browser, another one is SSH. Okay, let me try to connect with other instance. You understood? First one instance, I have connected with my MobaXterm. Let me try to connect with this instance. Okay, instance, click on this instance too, and connect here, connect, and you have to take this key name from here to here, copy, and go to here, sessions, MobaXterm, go to here, in the sense MobaXterm, sessions, new session, SSH,
Paste that ID.
yes, paste. Okay, and also
Advanced SSH
yes, you
file.
have to take your key, select, and if you want to mention here what you have taken, Ubuntu, right? Ubuntu,
Yes.
this name will appear there. I will show you the difference. Okay, terminal color I will change, forehead what I have to take, black, in the sense yellow I will take. Okay, so background also let it be black. Okay, okay, okay. Let me try to log in second instance. Right, see this, this is first instance, this is second instance. Okay, you entered into the server. Okay, machine, you are inside the machine. Okay, Ubuntu, this is one way, and browser, this is another way. You see here, see this is another way. Got it?
Got it.
Yeah, right. Let me sudo hyphen. Okay, and
Can we connect both instance?
how? I didn't get you, Gayatri.
I'm asking out.
Mm-hmm.
Could we able to connect instance 1 and instance 2? Like client server will be there, right? For communication.
One to each other, you are telling? Yes, good question.
Yes.
This will be done. So Linux to Linux communication. Okay, so we can do that. Okay, we can do that by using Ansible. Okay, client in the sense, client will be there somewhere else. You want to, by using your machine, you have to connect with the client server. In the sense, you have to use Ansible configurations. Okay, that is a advanced concept. You can learn it later. So, and also we have another concept, jump server. So in VPC, I have clearly explained about. Okay, I have clearly explained about jump server. In the jump server, I have connected through one mission to another mission. Okay, like this. Whatever question you have asked, you can find in my YouTube classes. Okay, in VPC. Understood?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah. So that's what about VPC today EC2 instance. This is what, nothing else actually. We don't have that much very big topic is this. This is small topic. You can learn easily, very easy. Okay. So you have to connect a machine according to your requirements also. This all these things networking related I have already covered VPC. Okay, volumes I have already covered in EBS. Okay, NACL also I have covered for protection purpose, high level 3-layer protections, VPC, NACL and subnet level. This 3-layer protection I have mentioned in this NACL. Okay, and S3 bucket, whatever the service which is providing AWS. Okay, S3. So S3 bucket also I have covered and I have kept in YouTube. See, this is for storage purpose, Gayatri. This is for storage purpose. You can able to keep here entire your data, in the sense like maybe if it is image, maybe if it is file, .xml file, .excel file, .pdf file, comma separated value file, any files, whatever the files, maybe if it is movie, MP4, MP3, whatever want to keep, you can keep here in S3 Amazon simple storage service. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you here. See this, go to playlist, see, I have explained about S3. Okay, I have explained about VPC theory. Okay, next VPC, NACL also, this security for complete security. Okay, S3 bucket related S3 3 videos. Okay, and IAM policies, whatever the IAM policies that I have explained clearly. IAM in the sense, hope you understood. Identity access management. For example, you are as a user. Okay, you are as a user. This is root user, Gayatri. This is, I actually entered in this AWS by using root user. Okay, because I am the owner of entire EC2. Maybe I am as a, if I am as a organization, I am the organization level. I have entered into this EC2. I mean sorry, AWS. Okay, I have all the access for all the services. Okay, but you are as a organization level, you are as a cloud engineer. If you have all the accesses, if somebody came, okay, you want to give the access to him. Okay, if you want to give the access for S3 bucket, okay, if you want to give access for EC2 instances, you have to give the access by using IAM roles. Okay, identity access manager, sorry, wrong click. I think today my internet gets slow, little slow. IAM, see this, identity access management. See this, you can create groups, you can create users, you can create roles, you can create policies. Okay, you can create all the policies and you have to attach to these groups. The same policy you have to attach to the user, the same policies you have to create, and you have to utilize all the things you can able to do from here IAM itself. Okay, so this is the purpose of, main purpose. If you create IAM, if you create users, for users, read access, write access, execution access, whatever access if you want to give, you can able to assign all the roles and responsibilities, all the roles to all the policies to the respected user. This is the purpose of IAM. You understood? Gayatri, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is what about EC2. This way you can see my video here IAM related. So then you can clearly understand. Okay. If you get any doubts, kindly ask me. Definitely I will help you for that. Okay.
Okay.
You have any doubts? Do you have any doubts? Please.
No.
Okay. While you are creating instances, your mind will start working. At that time, you'll get doubts. Okay. If you get doubts, kindly let me know. Definitely, I will give response. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That's all about EC2 instances, Gayatri. Okay. Let me close this class. Let me close this
Okay.
session. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thanks for connection. Take care. Bye bye.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye bye.